Hello folks, something new that I'm going to put on my channel. I'm going to call it the LJ Take. It's just a super mini version of the Lon Jenkins channel, my home improvement, lawn improvement channel. This will basically be just a short 1 to 3 minute episode, and then sometimes occasionally I'll have subscriber submitted takes on here. So I'm going to talk to some of my friends around the community and try to get an idea of what they feel is important and they can say in 1 to 3 minutes. So let's get started with our first episode. So summer lawn care is pretty worrisome for a lot of people. They have dry patches or the entire lawn is dry. They don't want to do a lot of irrigating. I'm just going to give you some of the bare steps to just have at least a decently green lawn. When you're planning out for this summer, the first thing you're going to need, before you do anything else, you're going to need water. Okay? Now that water can be irrigation, it could be a sprinkler system, it could be rain. But if you want at least a semi-green lawn, there's no way of getting around not having water. Now the thing about water, you want to avoid watering in the heat of the day. Don't water right in the middle of the heat. Most experts will say you need to water it in the morning time. I like to water around 6 in the evening. Got to be careful. You don't want to be too close to the evening time because you don't want fungus to appear. It's better to water longer once a week than it is to water for 5 minutes every day. The second thing you might want to do to save you some money is a soil test. Now you can do the soil test yourself for about $30. You can pay somebody, one of the local landscaping guys, to do the soil test for you. It's okay to go with the Scott's 4-step program right before the really hot summer gets here. The next thing you might want to do is you want to mow at a higher height. I see a lot of people cut their grass from here all the way down to here in the summer because they think that you don't have to cut it as much. But what happens is you burn the grass. So also with leaving it a little bit higher, it allows the roots to go further down. And if the roots go further down, and get deeper into the ground, they can get more of the water and the nutrients that's in the soil. So to sum it all up, if you want something that's green, a deep, dark green, you may have to do a lot of other steps and add a few different other products. But if you're just okay with just, I want my lawn to look nice, I want it to be green, make sure there's water in the forecast or you're going to irrigate longer than a few minutes. Try to get a soil test if you can. Mow at the right height, which is higher in the summertime. Keep the blade higher in the summertime so that the ground doesn't bake. All right, this has been the Lon Jenkins Take, and I'll see you on the next one.